Last episode on 8 reasons why your hair is not growing.
I owe that so much to being gentle. Hello, my name is Lillian Akibe. Welcome to my channel. Next thing that can be preventing you from growing your hair long is your mindset. Many people have the wrong mindset, and I find that a lot within the community of people with tighter curls. With the wrong mindset, you're not going to see growth, and I'll tell you why. If you are constantly trying to change your hair or make it look like someone else's, apart from the fact that you're never going to achieve that because because everyone's hair is different. For example, my hair, this is what my hair looks like when I let it shrink. But even when I do wash and goes, if on the first day when my hair is still wet, it may have a little bit of hang time. It's still going to be shrunken, but it's going to have a little bit of hang time. As days go by, it goes up. My hair defies gravity by nature. There are certain people with hair that is like shorter than mine that can pull off a big wash and go with a lot of hang time. Like, there are so many people like that, but I just have to realize that that's not the nature of my hair, and constantly trying to fight it, number one, is going to lead to frustration, because if you don't have it, there's nothing you can do to have it. Like, that's just the truth. Like, if you do not have something, there's nothing, absolutely nothing that you can do to have that thing, especially when it comes to hair. If you do not have a looser curl type or curl pattern, there is really nothing that you can do to make your hair looser, so just trying to embrace your hair. And the truth is, every hair type is beautiful. Every hair type is beautiful. It just depends on you trying to make sure that you see it. You just have to see it. And also, every hair type flourishes when it is allowed to be itself. And that's one reason why it seems like people with looser hair types, with looser textures, it seems like their hair grow faster than us with tighter, kinkier coils. And many people attribute this to the fact that our hair is more fragile than theirs, but that's not totally true. There's so many things that affect how fragile hair is. Fine hair most likely breaks more easily than coarse hair, and things like that. So there's so many other things that affect that, but like the curl type, it doesn't really make your hair fragile. But if everyone is trying to make their hair look a certain way, for example, for my hair, because my hair is really kinky, I'm going to have to put in more work to make my hair straight than someone who has like a 3C curls or like 2A curls that is wavy. For someone like that, just one pass of a flat iron will make their hair straight. But for me, I'm going to have to put in more work to make my hair to look straight, because my hair is farther from that look of being straight than someone with 2C hair, and that is why it seems like our hair is more difficult to manage or to maintain, because we are constantly trying to make our hair to look different from what it is. Your hair is going to flourish a lot more when you let it be itself, and that is totally 100% true. I've seen this. I've been on the two sides of the table trying to fight all the properties of my hair and trying to make it look like someone else's, and just accepting my hair for what it is and just moving with the flow. And I've noticed that my hair, you're going to encounter less breakage when you just let your hair be itself. Apart from that, you're going to be more fulfilled and happier when you let your hair be itself. You're going to be less stressed. I can't say that enough. You're going to be less stressed when you let your hair be what it is. Like, that is the truth. So I know that it's a journey. It doesn't happen overnight. There was a time when I did not like my hair, especially the fact that it shrinks so much. I really did not like it. I was constantly always trying to work against it and things like that. But when you let your hair be what it is, your hair is going to flourish the most when you just let it be what it is. And that is why you have to change your mindset and start to see the beauty in your hair. When you see your hair as beautiful as it is, without any work, after a while other people will start to see it too. Like, that's just it. There is this beauty that confidence brings, and you're not going to be confident in your hair if you do not even believe that it is beautiful. So the first step of growing your hair is look at your hair, get to know your hair, accept what it is that your hair is unaltered, and then after a while you're going to be confident in wearing your hair as it is. And over time, other people will start to see the beauty too. If you see your hair as tedious and tiring, difficult, your hair care is going to be tiring and difficult, and anytime you have to come in contact with your hair, you're going to dread it. And when you dread communicating, like interacting with your hair, is going to make you impatient whenever you come in contact with your hair. So you're not going to be gentle enough, and you're going to cause too much breakage, and overall you're not going to see any hair growth. That thing that results in having stunted hair growth is people overlook their diet. The thing is, like, when you watch videos and when you read articles of people with long hair, blah 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 and everything like that, they do not include how they eat. So you just see them use so and so products on their hair, and so oil, so and so deep conditioner and things like that, and you run or rush off to go and buy those kind of products, and then you use them and you feel like you realize that it's not having the same effect on your hair, forgetting that products have their role to play in hair care. I cannot lie, but your food, your diet also greatly affects the appearance of your hair, how your hair grows and things like that. The thing is, let me explain to you how diet works. Hair is dead, so as soon as the hair grows out of your hair, it is dead. Sebum is the oil that your scalp produces, and sebum on its own, sebum is the best product you can use for your hair, and that's why you find some people use their sebum. Green Beauty has a video on that. I think if I can find a video, I'll leave it here in the card so you can go and watch. So in that video, she explains how she uses sebum to moisturize her hair. So she goes like weeks without washing her hair, and she just depends on the sebum, like tries to break it down and just move it through her hair just to help moisturize your hair. Sebum is the best product you can use on your hair. But the thing about your diet is, your diet affects the quality and the quantity of your sebum. Some people have more nutritious sebum than everybody. All sebum is not equal, because your diet greatly affects the quality of your sebum, how nutritious it is, so that it nourishes your hair and your scalp. Also, it affects the quantity of your sebum. The kind of food you eat affects the quantity of your sebum. So if you are eating healthy, nutritious foods and things like that, you're going to have enough sebum production, and your sebum is going to be really rich and healthy, such that if you actually rely on that, it's going to like moisturize your hair and everything. But you cannot rely totally on sebum to keep your hair moisturized, for one reason, most important reason, the fact that sebum does not really get distributed all through your hair, and actually depending on your sebum and gently trying to work it down your hair is actually time consuming, so you may not have the time for that. But the sebum keeps your scalp healthy and juicy and lubricated, such that it makes the environment conducive for hair growth. When your scalp is healthy scalp grows healthy hair, and that will make your hair grow healthy and strong. Also, your diet affects the caliber the quality of hair that you grow. So if your diet is rich, apart from the fact that it affects the sebum that moisturizes your hair and your scalp, it also affects the quality of hair that grows. So if you eat healthy, nutritious foods, it's going to make your hair grow the hair that is growing out of your hair to be the strongest and the best that it can be. So if the hair that has grown is the best that it can be, it's going to be a lot easier for you to keep it on your head longer. And when you keep the hair on your hair longer, meaning it's not going to break as much, it's going to help your hair grow long faster than someone who doesn't eat healthy. And that's why food is very important. Topical application of products can help to supplement your sebum production, and it can also help to keep your hair moisturized, like the rest of your hair moisturized. But topical application will not affect the quality of hair that is growing. It's only your diet that can do that. So if your diet is whack, if you eat only junk and your diet is not rich in nutrients that will benefit your hair, the hair that grows from your head, it will not be the best that you can do, and there is a limit to what products can do once that hair has already grown. So your diet is so important.
Next episode on 8 reasons why your hair is not growing.
TLC, the tender loving care. Is it tender loving care or tender love and care? Is it tender loving care or tender love and care? Anyway,